Okay, as requested by you people asking how I recall my nickel coils on my RDNA VaporShark. So basically what I use is a 2.4 mm screw. Today I'm using a 28 gauge nickel wire by VaporShark. Okay, so when coiling your nickel wires, it is recommended to have at least 8 loops. Okay, have at least 8 loops. And also to have space standard coils instead of micro coils. So look at, this is how I do it. Okay, so here is 8 reps, standard 8 reps. Okay, what you want to do now is basically, hold on, what you want to do now is basically just squish the coils in together, just once, and just let go. So, don't know if you can see it. Yep, it's not micro coils, it's space coils. So you just have to readjust it a bit, then it should be fine. It's not that perfect, but it'll work. So what I'm gonna do next is basically take off your RBA from your tank, because reason being is the VaporShark can't be turned off. So if you call it while it's on your DNA device, your ohms you will get below 0.1, which is not what you are looking for. What we are looking for is about 0.12 to 0.19. So okay, so do it, you know, I got this dock here. You can do it on a dock, or maybe find another different mod so that you can fix your nickel coils on it. Screw down on one side. I'm still new at this, but yeah, this is how I normally do my nickel coils, if you guys want to know. It's kind of hard doing it on while taking a video. Okay, just tighten it a bit so that you can readjust your coils. So this is what I normally do. Yep. Okay. So basically you need to have, look at it properly. Yeah, you need to have space in between them. It can't be micro coils. Okay. So just tighten it up a bit. Make sure it's in the center. Okay, so yeah, normally I do not clip or cut off the spare nickel wire here. What I do is normally I twist it until it comes off, because it's actually very soft. Oops, sorry. Okay, just give it a little bit of adjustment. Okay, making sure it's spaced. Screws are tight. Yep, so it's not perfect, but yeah, this is my first video, so I'm not used to it yet. Right, let's see what are we getting now on these calls. So okay, so 0.14 was what I had earlier. So now I unlocked it. So yep, 0.14, that's what I'm getting. And what I'm getting, and also what I am actually looking for. So let's lock it back, lock the resistance at 0.14. Okay, so yep, this is how I basically build my coils. And the cotton that I'll be using is Muji organic cotton. Just not using that much. Normally I would like to just make sure the extra cottons are off before I put it in. Okay. Yep. This is nice. Which is just nice. Let's cut it off a bit. Right. Okay. The juice that I will be using today is by one of the old time vapor, Shashi. You can find his juice in Modbit. This is strawberry cream version 2. Okay, so let's let's try to fire it up. Maybe I should turn the okay, 400. Okay, increase the watts to probably 16. Yep, it's good. So these are just a tip for sub-tank mini users. Normally what I do is I wet my cotton and then I'll just push it in a bit, making sure that it's, you know, just nice, so that I can just cover the cap right away. Don't need to do much. And okay, just take my cap, close it in. Yep, so this is just a tutorial of how I do my nickel coils. Thanks for watching.